Andy, we're here at ITC. You have a fabulous tooling range and you're also exclusive agents for BIG KAISER. Can you tell me a little bit about this product range and how it benefits your customers and how you incorporate your cutting tools with this product range?
Yeah, certainly, Gio. Basically, the BIG KAISER range, Big Die Shower bought KAISER boring tools about a year or so ago. So now the BIG KAISER range is one complete unit. So we have the boring heads from KAISER, and they all go down from 0.4mm all the way through to 3 metre diameter.
Blimey, that's a large. That is a big range.
Yeah, so it's a huge range and one of the world's largest ranges of boring heads, and they are highly precise. And there are a variety of different ones. Obviously you can see here we've got a small finishing boring head which is in Switzerland used predominantly in the watchmaking industry, so extremely high precision. But
they're not only extremely high precision, the quality of these products, you know, just by looking at the products you can see the work that goes into the products.
Yes, especially on the Big Die Shower spindle tooling. We're looking at, if a tool is sticking out by 4 times diameter, we can guarantee a 3 micron run out at 4 times D.
And will you prove this?
Absolutely, we'll prove this if a potential customer comes to us and says, I need to do this job in a particular way, then we will provide the tooling and prove it out to them.
Now this tool over here, Andy, it's got cartridge bodies in, it's fully adjustable. Can you explain to the viewers what it's actually doing and how it works?
Yeah, this particular boring head, this is a finished boring head, and you can see the finishing cartridge on the left hand side, and basically you've got a counterweight cartridge on the opposite side, which therefore then balances the whole system and makes it extremely precise. You can then adjust this on a vernier scale, which is therefore then moves the diameter to whatever you want it to be.
Now we have the other boring head at the back here, Andy, so what is the difference between the two? I know this is adjustable as well.
Okay, this is a finished boring head, that is a rough boring head. So again, you set the slides and you set them to the diameter that you want, and the whole idea is that rather than interpolating a bore, you can actually run that head down it and it will take a lot of material out very quickly.
Now with this boring head here, Andy, it looks to me like it's been made from one piece. Can you tell me about this boring head and do they come in different lengths, and what is the longest boring head you do?
Okay, the longest boring head to a certain extent is a movable feast. You can have it as long as you like because of the modular makeup of the tooling. We've got the shank here, and you can see you've got a connection here which therefore then is is part of an aluminium extended piece. You've then got the boring head which fits into the other extension here, so you've got a gauge length around about 350 millimeters on this particular tool.
Now with all your tools you're going to prove them out to the customer, so if a customer has got an application, you will go there and prove your tools will do the job.
Absolutely. If the application, you know, we feel that the application is valid, then we will go along, take the tooling along with us, and we'll prove the application out.
Now, Andy, just to summarise and to finalise, you've got this component here. Now, this is new. How does this work?
Right. This is a digital boring head, which is adjustable by Bluetooth. So you take a trial cut, which would then you measure that trial cut. Then on the Bluetooth application on your mobile phone, you can then set it to cut the diameter that you want, and you adjust the boring head accordingly to hit that diameter, which is preset onto your mobile phone.
So is this increasing the accuracy and making it foolproof?
Yeah, it's extremely accurate, and if locking it off only moves the body by a maximum 2 microns.
Brilliant, Andy. Well, don't forget, if you have any tooling inquiries, to contact Andy here at ITC.